1. Take out the front car seats. They are usually held in place by 4 bolts that you can see from under the car. 2. Remove the back seats. They may be held in place by fasteners at the bottom and brackets at the top. 3. Remove the seat belts, which should be held in place by bolts. 4. Remove any other items that will be in the way. This includes the trim and kick panels. Look for everything you can see or feel. 5. Pull up the old carpet. Roll it up and be careful with it because you will use it to measure the new carpet. 6. Lay the old carpet on top of the new carpet as a template. Cut the new carpet just a little larger than the old one. 7. Start at the front and lay the carpet in the car. Trim around the edges and cut the holes as you go. The heel pads should be under the brakes and gas pedal. 8. Smooth the carpet from the center out. 9. Reinstall the seats and other items that you took out of the car. 10. Make sure everything is secure and you do not have any bolts left unused.